Hi guys, we have another unboxing video. Let's unbox the Sony KD-55X80J. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you'll be updated to our upcoming video. Basic information: model, KD-55X80J, regular price, $47,990. To avail big discount, please visit our FB page, Crusher V Appliances Trading. We have all types of brand new appliances and offer the lowest price in the market. Our store is located on the second floor of Cash and Carry Mall, Makati. What's in the box? Tabletop stand, voice remote control, batteries, AC power cord, AC plug converter, operating instructions, quick setup guide. Dimensions and weight: screen size measured diagonally 55 inches by 54.6 inches. Stand width standard position approx. 983 mm. Weight of package carton gross approx. 23 kilograms. Weight of TV without stand approx. 15.7 kilograms. Dimension of TV without stand WXHXD approx. 1243 by 719 by 71 millimeters. Dimension of TV with stand standard position WXHXD approx. 1243 by 787 by 338 millimeters. Dimension of package carton WXHXD approx. 1350 by 844 by 162 millimeters. Key features: X1 4K HDR processor, Google TV, Apple AirPlay HomeKit, 4000X Reality Pro, Dolby Atmos, Triluminous Pro, X-Balanced Speaker, MotionFlow XR200. Connectivity: HDMI for 4 side, USB 0 to 2 side, Ethernet connection 1 side, composite video input S 1 side, mini jack, RF connection input S 1 side, digital audio output S 1 side, headphone out 1 side. Now let's connect it to the Wi-Fi and just follow the instructions and we're ready to test the TV. And here's the welcome graphic video of the Sony KD-55X80J. Some finishing touches and we're ready to test it on YouTube. We still continue to give away the LG FP9 wireless earbuds. If you want to join, like, subscribe and press the notification bell so that you are always updated when we have a new upload. We'll choose one of our lucky subscriber if we reach 1,500 subscriber. We're all set and ready to test it on YouTube. Let's play some 4K UHD video on YouTube. Picture quality is nice considering that this model is a mid-range model of Sony. We'll end the video here. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.